Okay, so we're in the media room and we want to watch DVR. Select the media room, select the main TV, choose DVR, everything powers and switches. Now you're watching DVR. So let's change the media room to DVD. Select DVD, you're done. Everything switches. Okay, change it back to DVR now.
We'll never know unless we get it back.
And now Roku player.
This might have been an inside job. Only a handful of our people knew.
Alright, and now iPod. Okay, change the channel on the bottom TV on the left. Put the main TV on DVD. All with just a couple touch of the buttons.